Isn't it strange? We used to own the whole Mac market. What would Scully say? If only he knew that we were licensing as fast as we can, flying off to Taiwan and Japan, showing them how to build a Mac copy. Then we sell them all our hardware and our ROMs and System 7. And I say, I think we're a clone now. There's always Michael Dell just hanging around. I think we're a clone now. The crash of Intel stock is the only sound.
It's a whole new world for Apple these days. Mac clones, a new OS on the horizon, fierce competition from Windows 95. Some pundits are wondering whether Apple can survive. Well, here to talk with us about the future of the Macintosh is the President of Creative Strategies, Tim Baharin. Welcome,
Hi,
Tim.
how are you?
Just on this show, we've seen Apple out there licensing now, so we have Mac clones, not only Mac clones, but guys who are doing, in a way, more than the Mac does itself. Working on the new OS. Let's talk about the clones first. What do you think about this idea of licensing the Mac finally after these many years to other people, so I can go out and buy a Power 100, which looks to be a pretty good machine, probably less than I can buy a comparable Mac.
Right. It's good that they're finally doing it. It would have been better if they'd done this 5 years ago. I mean, they really gave Microsoft and the Windows a huge opportunity. However, you know, it's never too late, as they say, and I think what's going to happen is that there will be many other machines out there that are not Apple logoed, but instead these clones that'll undercut Apple's pricing a little bit, and then there'll be a group of people who are willing to go for those clones based on those kind of prices. So I think from Apple's standpoint, they look at it as another way to expand their presence, and they really will still have big numbers sold, but this expands it through the clones, and I think it's still important for them.
So it's good for Apple, not bad, that these other guys are going to be selling Mac lookalikes.
No, they wouldn't have done the licensing if they didn't believe it was going to be good for them.
They'll make enough money on each of the clones.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.